Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and I'm going to be doing a quick video today. This is just because one of the subscribers, or I'm not sure if they're subscriber, but one of the viewers actually just asked me to do a video on what can fit in a handbag, and they were interested to know in this handbag, which is the COACH NOLITA WRISTLET 24. I think that's what it is, right? I have to go back to my old video to see what type of handbag this was. Yeah, COACH NOLITA WRISTLET 24 unboxing I had done long back. I'm going to link that video somewhere in the end of this video. So I just wanted to do a quick video on just showing what fits in this handbag. So this is the one. I have it in the color stone, and it is pebbled leather, and I don't know what this is like called, like maybe refined, I think refined pebble leather. So it's really good good quality, and the color was stone, color is stone, and it is with the silver hardware. And it has this, like, you know, wristlet. You can even put this on the shoulder, but it's more like a wristlet, I guess, to put it on your like arms like that. So, and you can even take it off. This one, you can actually take this off, and but you can't like completely detach it. So if you want to use it like a clutch, you will have to kind of put this in there, and then you'll be able to just use this like a clutch. It'll be like a little bit bigger clutch. But I like to kind of use it like this, and this is a really good quality bag. I actually got this from outlet, but if you see my old video, I kind of explained that this was in a clearance section. Like they only had one in this one, just one or two, I don't remember exactly, in the clearance section. And sometimes in the clearance section they do even have retail bags. But this one, because its code was like, I think it started with a YUF, but because inside if you see it, it's just like COACH, and then, like, you know, it's like spaced in and then written COACH. So the fabric and all the thing lining inside looked like retail bag to me. Even the quality is like a retail bag to me. This is not like a outlet bag at all. I have a black one from the outlet, which I got from the outlet online, and that you can see that leather is a little different from this. This is like really good quality. That's why I suspected that it was really retail bag. But like I said, I think the code, where is the code, the style of it, or whatever you say, started, actually no, it didn't start with a YUF. It doesn't have F on here. So where did I see the YUF? I think in the tag or something. I think it started with the YUF, so that's why it was confusing that maybe it is a factory bag, but it is one of those, I don't know, maybe the better quality ones. So let me show what fits in here. So first I'm going to just show you guys like what I would take if I'm going out like for a party or something, what all I would want it to fit in. So I'm going to put the phone. It's a quite big bag because it's a 24. The size is 24. It's a wristlet 24. I have one more, which is like the black one that you would have seen in my first video, or even in another summer video I would have shared it. The black wristlet was the one I had shared with you guys, was actually wristlet 19. So that's a smaller size. It comes still here maybe this much, and then this one is little bigger size. So this is 24, the size 24. So it's really big, and it also has a zip pocket here, so which is really cool. You can put your cash and cards, whatever. If you don't want to carry like a big wallet, you can put cards and stuff in there too, and then you'll have more space to put stuff. So it has so much of space. So I'm going to put in the phone, and then usually if I'm outside, I'll have my glasses, but I'm not going to be like carrying this whole big thing. But for my eyeglasses, I would just put the glasses in. But now I'm just going to show you like putting the whole thing. And then underneath it, I'm going to do this one. This is my pouch. I always carry with stuff in it, like my, I usually carry like lipsticks, and that's why I love the mini lipsticks, lip liner, chapstick, and like a band, hair band, and I also keep like a small the Tylenol things that you get, like, you know, so that you can have medicine in there, because I always need my headache medicine with me all the time, like my, you know, ibuprofen all the time. And then I have this mini lipstick, Bite Beauty lipstick, and I don't know when I kept this. I usually don't, but I even have a mini mascara, Dior mascara in it. I probably kept this sometime when I was forgetting to put mascara when I was going out, and then some lip liners, pins, and stuff like that, right? So I always have this in my purse. Like any purse I carry, I take this. Unless I'm carrying a very small wallet for parties and stuff, then I don't need all this stuff. So what I will do is I'll just take one lip liner, lipstick, and just put it inside the bag. So for now I'm going to show this, and this one I'm going to put in the bottom. So I'm going to take that off and then put that in the bottom, and then I'm going to put this, right? So as you can see, I'm putting it over it, and it still comes up correct to that height there. And then on the side I would usually have my keychain. This is like the pouch that I have my keys in. Like, you know, I have like house key, car key, and like all the other kind of stuff. Like, what is that, Kroger and all those cards. So usually I always have this. So if I have a little bigger purse, then this would be something that I would like to put it in. So this one also I'm going to put it on the side here, and I'm just going to put that underneath, put the phone over it. So I put all that stuff in here, guys. Now there is even more space, so I can even put like a small wallet like this. Now it's really thick because I have so many cards and receipts in it. So I'm also going to put that beside my phone. So as you can see, comfortably I fit this much in it. So underneath in the bottom there is my pouch, and then I have the phone, I have the wallet, I have the key in here, and then I have my glasses in here, the whole bag, pouch, whatever that is, bag. So that much I can fit in here. So now I still have kind of space on the top, right? Like if I want, like I may not be able to close it, so I may be able to like put in some lipstick or like something in there, pen or whatever, and then do that. So in that space, see that it has little space, but I do want to close it comfortably, so I'm not going to put anything. So but otherwise you can like put in a pen there or like a lipstick or anything like that and close it. So this is how much this fits. Now if I close this on the top here, I'm just going to close it, so it fit in exactly, like correctly, right? So that's how it's looking with all the stuff. It fits. And now if you want, you can just put stuff in here, like some receipts, cards, cash, you know, stuff that you want, you can put it here. So I think it is a pretty good size bag, even when you're going to parties and stuff. And I love this color, that's why I got it. So it's so pretty. So pretty much that's it. I really just wanted to show since somebody requested, I really wanted to just do a video and show what all fits in here. So now let's take all that out and try to fit in like different kind of stuff. Let's see that. I'm going to take the glasses out, I'm going to take the wallet out, I'm going to take the phone out, I'm going to take the key out, and then the pouch out. Actually no, let me keep the pouch in, and let me try putting in a big wallet. Now this is my Fossil wallet. What is it called? I don't remember what it was called. So see the size of that. So a big wallet like this, maybe not like very thick ones, like the some Michael Kors ones are like very big and thick, so not those ones, but these normal big wallets like this also will fit in. So I can fit this inside that. See that? And I still have even that pouch underneath here. I have that lipstick pouch here. Over that I can still kind of fit this in and close it. See that? So now you can understand the size of this. So it fits in a wallet. So it's kind of like that, a big wallet size with a little bit room. So you can, if you really want to carry like a big one like that, you can. If you don't stuff something underneath like this, then you can actually put this and still have some space. See that? So now it gave me more space that I can actually put in lipstick and like all that other stuff, or even like another wallet and like that. So I can keep a big wallet, my phone, and see that it has like space underneath. Because if you see, this is little bit, it has that much of width, so it has space. So I can keep the wallet, I can keep my phone, and then over it, instead of like stuffing it like that, over the phone, if I keep this like this, that will fit it much better. So that's all really, guys. I don't know how else to compare it to show you guys, but I'll do one more thing here actually. Let me, if you put this in, you won't be able to fit like a bottle size here, okay? So let me take this off now and show you with the bottle size. This is like a small bottle I'm just showing, so it fits in perfect, right? Then you can keep some stuff here. So if you want to be carrying a small water bottle, I'm sorry, the whole time I've been looking at the viewfinder because I'm trying to see if it is like showing everything. So if you want to carry like a bottle and something else, then you can always keep like that, and then keep a small wallet, keep a phone. So I'm kind of trying to show you all the combination that can fit in here. Look at that, how much space it has, like my keychain, right? And I can even keep my glasses. I mean, I won't be able to close it, I guess, but yeah, I can. See that? So I can, like, you know, without the cover, I can keep it. So that is how much it fits. So I kind of got all the things up here to show you guys what all can fit in this. I got these bottles, and then there's this Gatorade bottle. This is like that smaller bottle, smaller Gatorade bottle. This is the 12 fluoride ounce bottle. This was the smallest one that you usually get at parties, and that's why I wanted to show you guys this size if you're carrying it for a party. So then this one is like that small size, and this, yeah, you can't keep it like that because it goes over, but yes, like that, no problem at all. So that's all really, guys. Hope you guys, hope it helped you figure out that how much fits in this. And this is really good size purse. If you are comfortable just wearing it as a, like holding it as a clutch, or just holding it like that, will be good. Let me show you like how it can even go over the shoulder too. Like I've already showed it in like in the old videos, but see that? So you can hold it in your arm like that. But if you really want to hold it here, like if you're not stuffed it too much, then you can actually kind of hold it like that. If you're my size, I guess, like can kind of hold it like that, right? So I really like this handbag, and the color is very neutral, so that's why I got this color, because I can use this with like a lot of stuff. So that's why I liked this color. So thank you so much, guys, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and help me get to 1,000. It's been a while that I started my YouTube channel, but I have still not reached the 1,000 subscribers. So this year, please help me reach the 1,000 subscribers, please. And I'm going to be having a real good giveaway once I reach 1,000 also. So you can look forward for that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it, and hope this really helped some of you guys see how much it can fit. And this is the Nolita Wristlet 24, the Coach handbag. So thank you, guys. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.